Hi, my name is Kaya and I have been a patient of Healing Touch Chiropractic since October of 2009. I was the first member of my family to start coming to Healing Touch Chiropractic. I was in the second trimester of my second pregnancy and I was suffering from severe lower back pain and was basically not able to walk very well and care for my, at the time, 7-month-old son. I had been to a chiropractor before, but I was just looking for something that was going to help me not just manage pain, but live a pain-free lifestyle. So I just decided to try something new. In coming to Healing Touch Chiropractic, I did notice that within just a few short weeks I was able to I was at a much better level of managing the pain, and eventually Dr. Tiffany does set you up on a program that gets you to a state of health and then be able to maintain that healthy lifestyle instead of just managing the pain. My second childbirth was so much easier than my second one, and my recovery was much quicker as well. At the time, I still am a stay-at-home mom, but I did need to bring my son with me to the appointments, and in doing that, it opened up conversation between Dr. Tiffany and I about the benefits of chiropractic care for children. We decided to give it a try. It did take some convincing. I was pretty nervous about it, but once we talked through the process and what they all go through, I was convinced within just a few short conversations. Grayson had had a pretty difficult birth, resulting in the need of some interventions, and with that, and coming here and learning about what happens to a baby's spine when they're born, just a normal, healthy birth, just learning about the pressure that is put on their spine, and then if you need any interventions, what that can do to them. He was a generally healthy baby, but he did suffer from some severe reflux, and which we had tried some medication, which I didn't feel helped at all, and at times I did think it made it worse. Within a short time, Grayson had stopped throwing up, he was sleeping better through the night, and now as a toddler we just come in for regular adjustments just to maintain his good health and help manage all those bumps and falls that normal toddlers do all day long. He is a lot healthier than he was the first couple months of his life with colds and things like that. If he does happen to get a cold, it only lasts a few days rather than a few weeks, how it used to. After a few months of Grayson and I coming to treatment, I was finally able to convince my husband to come in and give Dr. Tiffany a try. He had been to a chiropractor before, same as I had, I guess, but basically was just managing pain and not really making it better for himself. He still comes in for regular adjustments as well, but lives a much easier and pain-free life. My second son was born, and although his birth was very easy, uncomplicated, no interventions were needed, we did decide to bring him in, the same as the rest of our family was doing. We brought Nolan in at 3 days old for his first adjustment, and now that he's almost a year old, I do have to say that he is a very healthy boy. We've never had an ear infection, never dealt with reflux, and again, like our older son, if he is sick, it's for just a few days. So that's basically our story. I was always aware of the importance of chiropractic care for adults, but in coming to Healing Touch Chiropractic, I not only was able to make my life better, but the life of my family.